Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Lolly P, of course, and if you're new here, I most definitely welcome you as well. And if you're not subscribed, go ahead and subscribe. What are you waiting for? So in today's video, I show you guys how I apply my false lashes on. Just a quick and easy way, and if you guys want to see how I do that, keep on watching. Okay guys, so first thing you're gonna need are tweezers. So I usually use these tweezers, or you can use those beginner tweezers that usually come in the kits that you buy at the beauty supply store or Shoppers Drug Mart. And next you're gonna need some type of eyelash glue adhesive. So I use Duo because that's amazing, or you can use the black Duo, which is pretty good for beginners because it dries off black. And of course you're gonna need mascara to prep your lashes before you put on your lashes. And of course you're gonna need some lashes, and I'm gonna be using my Celeste Los Angeles Book of Lashes today. Okay, so we're gonna prep our real lashes, and we're gonna use mascara, any type of mascara you prefer. I always like to use mascara just a little bit, not too much, like you're not gonna be wearing falsies, but just so that when you put your lashes on, it blends in together nicely.
Don't leave me hanging. Oh, Sisi, your body banging. Oh, Sisi, your body calling me. Oh, Sisi, oh, Sisi, oh, Sisi, don't leave me hanging. Oh, Sisi, your body banging. Oh, Sisi, your body calling me. Oh, Sisi, oh, Sisi, oh, Sisi.
So now that we're done applying mascara to both of our lashes, I'm now gonna be using my Celeste Los Angeles Book of Lashes, and I'm going to be going in with Cookie. So for beginners, I would strongly advise you not to use tweezers to pull out the lashes. I usually like to use my finger to, I don't know how to explain it. I guess you would say slowly push it out from the package. As you can see what I'm doing, I'm slowly just pushing it out. I feel like that's the best way to keep the shape. Okay, so now that we have our lashes out, first things first, always make sure you measure your eyelash with your eye. Make sure it matches up. I don't need to cut these ones because it's already matched up with my eyes. So now I'm going in with my Duo glue, and I'm gonna put just a tiny bit of glue on the end of my tweezers. I usually like to use my end of my tweezers, but you could place it anywhere you want. But I use the end of my tweezers, as you can see, just a little bit, not too much. And I'm going to place that glue on the lash, the bendy part of the lash.
Don't leave me hanging. Sisi, your body banging. Oh, Sisi, your body calling me. Oh, Sisi, oh, Sisi, oh, Sisi.
So after you're done placing the glue on the lash, I like to let it dry for about 30 seconds to at least a minute. If you're doing it for a client, I wouldn't suggest you blow on the lash, but if you're doing it for yourself, I guess it doesn't really matter because it is your eyes, it's yourself. So I usually like to wave it around, blow on it a little for a bit before I place it onto my eye. Of course, you want your glue to always be tacky, not too dry but not too wet, so it can stick onto your lash properly. Okay, so first things first, you're going to place the lash in the middle. I like to place my lash in the middle first, and usually when you place your lash in the middle, you can work your way from there.
Don't leave me hanging. Oh, Sisi, your body banging. Oh, Sisi, your body calling me. Oh, Sisi, oh, Sisi, oh, Sisi, don't leave me hanging. Oh, Sisi, your body banging. Oh, Sisi, your body calling me. Oh, Sisi, oh, Sisi, oh, Sisi. She said she wanna be my lover. She don't want cast, so we do one mother cover. When I give her to her harder, She keeps coming for more, coming for more. She says she wanna be my lover. She know I can't, so we do I'm undercover. When I give her to a harder, she keeps coming for more, coming for more. You're all I'm wanting.
And there we have the first one done. I usually like to use my fingers after I've placed them on my eyes. I usually like to use my fingers to just adjust them and press the fake lashes down with my real lashes, just so everything can stay in place and doesn't move or come out. Just adjusting everything, making sure that it's comfortable, because your lashes need to be comfortable. Okay, so for the next eye, we're gonna go again with our duo glue and place it on the lash band, just a little bit. As you can see, just place a little bit on the lash band and wait for that to dry from 30 seconds to a minute, and let that glue be tacky before we place it on our eyes.
All you wanting, no Praiz. We sing the same thing, no Sisi. We want the same thing, no yeah. We can come down.
Okay guys, so again we are going to first off place your lash in the middle, and then use your tweezers, or you can use your fingers, to adjust it in the corner. I usually like to go from the middle to my inner corner and then to my outer, just to make sure that it places down.
Sisi, your body calling, oh Sisi, oh Sisi, oh Sisi, don't leave me hanging. Sisi, your body banging, oh Sisi, your body calling, oh Sisi, oh Sisi, oh Sisi, don't leave me hanging. Oh Sisi, your body banging, oh Sisi, your body calling, oh Sisi, oh Sisi, oh Sisi.
So if you don't know, now you know. I like to use eyeliner, especially for beginners. If you're new at putting on eyelashes, eyeliner will help you hide your flaws, like literally. If there was like glue that was left over, if you were using the dual white glue, like you can see I have some on my other eye, you just need to use eyeliner to follow up, and literally it'll hide every single flaw of your lash. Brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys learned a few tricks and tips on how to apply falsies if you're a beginner or if you're a pro. At the end of the day, it takes practice every day. The more you put on lashes, the more you will learn how to do it properly. It took me forever and a year to learn. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, share, comment below, and of course subscribe to your girl Lolly P, and I will be seeing you all in my next video. Mwah.